How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing, open the settings on your phone and go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do, scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it like this, and then click on force stop here and go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back and click on the data usage right here and make sure to enable all the options and disable only the background data like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. And the last thing you want to do now is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.